Tajikistan tonight. Nurullo Aliyev. Inches, and as mentioned, he's a side. Josh Wick is in the blue. Nurullo. Him, not many people can take him.
I love this game plan from Wick.
Start this round.
And he has finished fights. He got an eye.
It's a stern warning. I don't think.
You, come up here, please.
That's a new change.
This out,
That's a new
Herzog.
change. It does look red even from here.
Anytime. Hold on. Can you see?
Get out of my house.
Back against the cage.
His hands were locked.
Yeah, his hands were.
Nice
But you
work
could
there.
argue it's such a big. He's still going to chase the takedown.
When they're grappling like that, I mean, whatever he's got.
You saw Wick start to try to just use a close. A couple of his attempts, he's going to keep on your key.
Where the jiu-jitsu is really.
Nice. Aliyev putting you right up against the fence.
And he does have a very, yeah. Stacked guard position. I'm interested. Keep it. So I'm interested to see what.
But Aliyev doing a good job of landing. Get to the UFC because
Oh, he got his fingers a little bit close to.
Oh, yeah, you're
There?
right.
I mean, he's doing.
now on his strikes.
Yeah, it's just going to.
Yeah, it's
He broke that off
it's
quick.
not a submission, but
Really attempt to scoot his hips completely.
I don't know that that's the
Starting to hammer away now. Victory. A UFC representative.
Ground and just start. Style.
93% mount. I'm ready, Bella.
he was in this fight. I mean, a beautiful judo. Hard game that he has, and this. Something with the position when you have it. Couple for the road there. Excellent work.
A.M. local time in brought to you by ZipRecruiter. Here's
calls a stop to the fight for the